Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while, but I wanted to do a little get ready with me for my date. So this is the final look. I'll take the glasses off so you can see this a bit better. It's like a very romantic pinky look with a pinky lip, pink eyes, pink cheeks. I think it goes really well with the grey of my hair currently. And then the tones are gold for the jewelry. And then black is our color of the night. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please subscribe for more, as I want to put out some more just like fun quick videos this year. Like, I don't want to overthink it. I don't want to make any promises I can't keep either, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start with freshly showered skin, cleanse my face with an oil cleanser and a regular cleanser. And I bleached my hair yesterday, but it looks still kind of ratchet, so just ignore that right now. And I need to put my skincare on because my skin is like drying up by the second. So I'm going to start with this Torridon Dive In Low Molecular Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Like, in the winter, my skin has been getting really friggin' dry, so I need to put on all of the serums and like skin barrier repairing stuff. So this is my first layer of skin prep. So next, for cream, I've got a mini of the Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Moisture Cream. I've been enjoying using this. Obviously I haven't used it a crazy amount, I've only had the sample, but I am really liking it for winter. Like, it's definitely moisturizing enough, which is pretty hard to find actually. Like, the first winter that I came to Europe, like, my skin was so freaking dry, like I could not get enough moisture into my skin. Now the skin is prepped, so we're going to wait for the skincare to settle in. Oh, my lip balm. So I've been using this lip balm for literally so many years. It's the Laneige Sleeping Mask in the flavor, specifically grapefruit. Like, I will always be thinking about my friend Emilio when I put this on, because he was the one that gave me my very first one, and I've gone through like countless of these since then. Oh, there's just something about the smell. It's like crack to me. And there's no other way to put it. Okay, next we're going to start with the makeup. So for the winter, I mix two things for my base. I've got the Tower 28 Serum Concealer, which is quite moisturizing, so it's nice. So I just use that to kind of go under the eyes, and I have this like sunspot here. Then I go around the nose, tiny bit in the middle of my nose, and then I think that's it. I don't like to put too much base on. Then I've got the Catrice Soft Glam Filter Fluid. It's meant to be a knockoff of the Charlotte Tilbury, and I have used the Charlotte Tilbury before, and honestly, no cap, it's better. Like, this is not my favorite. I'm just kind of finishing it up. Now I blend the two kind of together. It's looking super olive for some reason, but I think it's just because like I'm really red from coming out of the shower. So I'm just tapping the base in, just like that. You can drag it down your neck a little bit, but focus it on like the middle of your face where you need the most coverage, like under my eyes. I do a little bit of a wipe on the eyelids and a little bit of a wipe on my forehead, but my forehead really doesn't need any coverage. Next, we're going to do our cream blush, and I have been loving this color. This is my second bottle. I have the mini one. It's Say Blush in the color Baby. So cute. It's like a little really cool pink. It's like such a pretty color when you blend it out. It's like a bubblegum pink. adore. Okay. Next, I'm doing a tiny bit of cream contouring. So I'm just gonna take my brush and then go along the top of my forehead, really focusing it on like the corner of your cheekbone to get that like definition. The setting powder, and for this I've mixed a little bit of my L'Oreal Fit Me in the color 15 Light with the Cherry Blossom powder from Huda Beauty. So this is like my own little mixture, and I find that it creates like a shade that's really good for my undertones or whatever. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, take some powder, and then really press it into the skin. My skin gets so oily, so I really like put on quite a bit of powder. Like you can see the amount of powder that's coming off my face right now, but it's necessary. And then I brush it a little bit everywhere else, but it doesn't have to be on the cheekbones or anything. I like the cheekbones a little bit shiny. Okay, next we're gonna do some bronzer, and I have just like a bronzer that I've depotted into this. It's like a mixture of like the Fenty and a Makeup Revolution one, so I can't tell you the exact one, unfortunately. I'm still hunting for like the perfect bronzer. I think the Fenty one is pretty good, but sometimes it gets hard pan, and that annoys me. If you have a better one, then please let me know. But I kind of put this all over my face because my face is a lot lighter than the rest of my body. So I always have to fix the color so that it matches the rest of my body. Okay, I think that looks good. Then I will take a little bit more under the cheekbone and kind of connect that all together like this. Going to a restaurant / bar tonight, and my friends and I have been wanting to go for a really long time, so I'm actually like really excited for this date. Next, we're going to take Kylie blush in the color Winter Kissed. I don't even need to look at the name because I use this shit all the time. I got it like last year, and I have been wearing it so much because it's so pretty. Every time I wear this, I feel like a little porcelain doll. Okay, maybe a little bit more on the nose. I want to give that like I'm cold look. Okay, next I'm going to take this powder, which is another little Makeup Revolution one that I've depotted. It's a kind of like a blush topper / highlighter, but I literally just put that on the top of my cheek. When I'm wearing a pink blush, it's just perfect. Okay, I've also depotted into here a brow powder. So I depot everything because it's just way easier to travel with this rather than like 4 different separate items, and it has a mirror as well. Just filling in the ends of the brows. Nothing crazy here. My brows have really lightened over time, and I am really enjoying like the light brow look now. What they say about eyebrows is so true. Like the trends are always so cyclical. Like when I was growing up, like big defined brows were in, like Anastasia dip brow season, and now it's like very much like I prefer a really light and thin brow as well, and I don't always bring it all the way to the front anymore. I kind of just take what's left on my brush and like quickly just yoink it through. And then with my brow powder, I like to make little freckles, mostly on the tip of my nose, like here. And I kind of almost do it in a way that you would contour, and then a little bit like all over the face. I'm going to contour my nose with this color from my Romand Peony Nude Garden palette. It's just been the perfect winter contour color for me because my summer one's a little bit too light as I get paler and paler. Even though it's an eyeshadow, it works perfectly for contouring my face. My face just looks so much more snatched after I've contoured. And I really focus the contour like up here, dragging into the nose, because I already have a teeny tiny little nose, so I don't need to make it look any smaller. Sometimes though, I'll take like a little bit of the contour or bronzer and I'll put it underneath my nose to make it a little bit more like button and like upturned looking. Or I'll take a little bit on the top, which also gives a cute and subtle look. Okay, taking the same Remand palette, I'm gonna take this light, almost like a butter yellow shade, and I'm going to highlight my face with it. Hold on, my cat's trying to come in. There she is. So take my setting brush and then just go and highlight a little bit under the eyes, around the smile line on the chin, and then between the brows. I think that just brightens the face a little bit. For my eyeshadow, I want to do like a pink look. So I've got this palette from Lily by Red. It's the Small Dip palette. Yeah, I think this is number 12. Okay, so I'm going to take a little eyeshadow brush and I want to dip into that color there. It's kind of like a mauvey, dusty pink. Then I just put it on the outer corner and bring it in. And this is like not at all precise. It's just a wash of color essentially on the lids. It's kind of like a soft, dusty pink color. This color looks really good when my hair is freshly toned gray as well. Because pink and gray is such like a fun top tier color combo. Slept on color combo. Next we're going in with the Rare Beauty Enlighten highlighter. This is my new baby. I freaking love her. Hit the inner corners, obviously. I like to bring my highlighter like into my eyeshadow almost. And then tip of my nose. I always go ham with the tip of my nose. Then the bridge of the nose, like this. Under the brow bone. Highlighting the brow bone really just like snatches your face like. Okay, love her. I haven't traveled with her because I've heard that it breaks really easily, so probably won't do that. Next, eyeliner, the Cleo Kill Ash. It's like a gray eyeliner. I'm obsessed. I bought it as a brow pen, but it turns out it's an eyeliner, so yeah, it's a happy little mistake. Gonna do my classic wing. Perfect. Okay, I think they're about even, more or less. Then we're gonna look down while our eyeliner dries. And I'm feeling a little bit spicy. So I'm gonna take this Essence eyeliner, which comes in this like little dippy tube. And I'm gonna do my signature beauty mark. Last thing, we're gonna do the lips. So I've got the Laneige lip balm on, so I'm gonna wipe it off on the back of my hand like this. And I'm just gonna pull it off mostly the top and the bottom part of my lips so I can go in there with lip liner. And the one that I've been loving lately is, let me find it, Favorite Lip Combo. I just discovered it this week. It is the ColourPop 5 Stars lip liner. So we're gonna do this like all over the lips basically. Okay, we're gonna overline the top, but not the bottom. So that's how it looks with just the lip liner all over the lips. Then we're going to use this Unleashia lip balm. It's in the color Glacial something. I can't remember, but it's the blue one of their lip balms. So it's blue, but it comes out clear and it has like a sparkle in it, but it's super subtle. And this just helps my lips from getting dry Because if you just use the lip liner, your lips are gonna get so dry. But if you add a lip balm on top, then it works out. How cute is that color? I've been loving this little baby pink doll-like look. For the hair, I don't think I'm gonna do anything with it because I just bleached it yesterday, so it's like very tender right now, and I really don't want to like fuck her up anymore. Genuinely, like through bleaching my hair for so long, I can feel like my hair density is so much thinner than it used to be when I was younger. It's just because I've been bleaching my hair for literally like 3 years straight. She's very thin now, so I try not to do heat. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the hair, and then I'm going to next look at the outfits. So this is my look for the evening. The base is this bodysuit from Tiger Mist, which is so stunning in the back. Like, we're obsessed with her. And then these jeans from Bershka, which I got like 3 sizes too big so that they would sit low on my hips. 2 sizes? I can't remember. And then underneath, because I get cold, I've got leg warmers. And then on top, I'm going to do the bolero. I have been rocking this look so much lately, and I'm not ashamed. It just looks cute. It's always a look. And then what I like to do is like take a tiny bit of my hair out like this, and then have like just a fringe out. It's very vibes. And then I think on top I'm going to do this coat, which I got off Vinted. I've also put on some gold hoops, my gold chain with the shell pendant that I got in Egypt, and then these black frames, or maybe the gold frames. Okay, let's see. We got the black frames or the gold frames. Honestly, both of them are a vibe. Let me see what goes with the outfit better. I feel like the black frames go with the outfit better, so I'm gonna wear the black frames. Also remembered, accessories, I'm going to be carrying this little bag that I got in Korea, and even my bag has a belt. Also, I'll be wearing it with these black boots, which are also from Korea. So bag, the boots. Yeah, I nearly forgot this very essential part of my routine, which is my scent. Right now, I've been really loving this Almond Broom Mist from L'Occitane. I got this for myself for Christmas, and it smells absolutely divine. Like the shower oil, if you've ever tried that before. And I'm just addicted to this scent, honestly. I don't think this one stays as long as the oil does, but it still smells heavenly. So thank you for watching my get ready with me, and I'll see you babes next time.